Hi, Chichat fam, hi my loves, welcome back to another episode with Ash, guys. Today YeMabhiza Mabhiza Zimbabwe, top 12 of Mabhiza. So on number 12, guys, Tina Dafu. I was definitely Ibiza Ranotopisa my streets, and I'm so happy to put her on number 12 because I was definitely going to Timidira Seniga even to get from competitions. Then number 11, guys, Pana Pokelonare, yes, structure is not that bad. She's good, and considering her age and stuff like that, she's looking perfect. Then number 10 tina Miss Red vanokukwidzawo zvekare paMabhiza. Tasaimone Ibiza zveshuwa, tasaimone zvenyu, but please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell so that I don't miss out anything. Then number 9 tina Madam Boss. Yes, Madam Boss, considering kuti vakabva kuzvara mwana and the like, but look at her. Vari kumendena kubhiza wavo vari kumendena varipo panumber 9 ipapo. Tichingoti also comment down below what do you think about this, what do you think about my opinion. Then number 8, guys, tina Becky. Officially Becky aribo and ari calm and Ibiza rakanyarara risina noise. We are right and dina anything beef naye. Then number 7 tina Tanya, best friend ya Pokelonare. Tanya body yake is boarding. Ibiza remashua, and she always maintains her black beauty. That's the number 1 that I love about her. Then guys, tikabva Tanya at number 7 tina Yolash is a free spirit akagara pa number 6. Uyu tinongomuda zvenatural pasina kuti chi kana kuti chi, we just love her like that. And Ibiza remashuwa zvekare. Toenda mutop 5 yedu yakagarwa naSandra Ndebele. Sandra Ndebele, considering her age, Ibiza rinotobvira. Ndo vakaimbwa naFreeman, ndo vakaimbwa kunzi Ibiza musandiseka gonna kuimba. Anyway, number 4 tina Lonlisha. So Lonlisha was structure nayo and body's boarding, considering also kuti akabva kuita mwana, but tinongoti nematambudziko kwaari akarasikirwa nemurume wake Keita. Tinongoti nematambudziko girl, chema uine tariro, and may the Almighty God continue to bless you and give you everything that you need for your baby boy, so that anramba achifila achiona the father figure in life. But anyway, let's get back to our story. YeMabhiza, his structure is very good, and iye anotozviziva kuti ndinoita, anotozviziva the way anoita zvinhu zvake, unotoona kuti munhu ari kuzviziva. Then on number 3, guys, we have our own rich auntie Zozo zvavanhu vari low key but really bisa, vanhu vari low key but vachipisa mumastreets. Imagine kando masalads atichitaura zvigogo masalads. Auntie Zozo is the goal, is the way to go. She's always looking on point, always looking good, always looking cute, always looking demure. I love her so much. That's why Tommy say I'm top 3. Look at her. Oh my god. Even mwana wake, I think my jeans, mwana wake also looks so good like her mother. Then guys, don't forget to comment what do you think about this. Like, share and comment and like also. Then number 2 tina Tariro wekwagezi. I think Freeman akaimba Tariro. And what do you think, guys? Ibiza vaiva vachimboti hana kunaka yeibhodhi chete apinda kamutop 2. Then number 1 tine wedu Tari Martin, maiziveri couple yepatiktok, our TikTok couple vanoruka vese vanoita maskits vese. Uyu Ibiza rakanyarara, risiri rezvemahebs, risiri remaBBL or whatever. Uyu anorira. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, guys. I love you so much. I'll see you again on my next episode. If you have anything that you want me to do, just put it down below and I'll deliver. Bye.